Well, the skies have darkened, it's raining, and I'm heading out to Mount Marcy in Massachusetts, eastern Massachusetts, to give this beast a one-night, overnight shakedown cruise. I've just thrown everything into the Jeep, not even really tied down too well. So yeah, I just want to get out there because despite the rain, it's super warm today and tomorrow, and so a very mild survival scenario for doing an overnight here in the Ursa Minor. Quick correction on the destination. I don't know, I've been watching a lot of Mount Marcy hiking videos, so that's on my mind, but I'm going to Mount Greylock in Massachusetts. Well, it's 3:17 on this first day of standard time. It's gloomy, drizzly. I feel like we've officially entered the dark days of this part of the year. I'm at the Mount Greylock Visitor Center. I'm gonna do a quick drive up the road, which appears to be open, get some shots up near the top of Greylock, and then hurry back to my campsite where I've really only got like an hour and change of daylight left. So I've got to get set up, pop the camper, and get some dinner going. Well, the gate's closed up here at 2,400 feet of elevation. But this is good. I'm glad there's no more distractions to move forward so I can turn around and head back down to the campsite and batten things down and get ready for dinner and settling in. I may not provide the vicarious thrills of a solo adventure survival YouTuber, but I hope you enjoy coming along and seeing what an average boomer with limited training and hiking does for fun and camping. Well, we're just throwing something together. Cut up some vegetables, kind of sauteing, stir-frying those, and I'll put those aside. And I had marinated some chicken, which I will cut up and cook that, and then recombine everything for hopefully a pretty healthy, if simple, dinner. Good morning. Well, it was a pretty good night in sleeping up here. A little bit of road noise. I guess they've got a rooster somewhere down below, down the hill somewhere. And yeah, I was able to watch a movie. Mattress, 3-inch mattress was okay. I might look into a way to get things padded out a little bit more. Yeah, it was super warm, so I didn't really even need a sleeping bag, so that was great. So all in all, yeah, I like it. I like plenty of space up here too. I like being able to stretch out. And I think I'm going to break down camp now. First make some coffee, and then head home, start the work week. I think I'll stop on my way south in Pittsfield, Mass to get some breakfast. Well, just had a nice brunch in Pittsfield, Mass at Joanne's Cafe. Recommend it. It's hard to find. There's no, I guess you can park 2 cars out in front. It's a real homegrown, small town cafe. And now I'm making my way back home, but on Gaia there was this conservation area called the Ooms Conservation Area with this small lake and a bunch of trails around it. So just made a small detour to just check it out. There's a boat launch right down here for anyone who has a kayak and is looking for secret spots or not so secret spots. I don't know. I think you'll find this on the map, but yeah. And guys, it's November 7th, and it's another ridiculously warm, high 60s afternoon. You can't complain in that weather, but at the same time, it does not belong here in November. You can't help but have, simultaneously with your enjoyment of 66 degrees on November 7th, is a fair, small amount of ominous feeling. 66 in November, what does that mean for July? Well, part of the trail was closed over there, so I took that as my cue to get back to the Jeep and get over to the Taconic and head back home and get my week started. And anyone who watched this, thanks for watching it and hanging out with me and checking out my first excursion with the Ursa Minor on top of the Jeep. And there'll be, greater adventures, farther and deeper. Also, always looking for an opportunity to head south, either to the Cape Kennedy sea launches, even Wallops Island, Virginia, Ontario's launches out of there, and of course, any way I can get back down to the bottom of Texas, Boca Chica, again, particularly because there's a initial orbital launch looming for Starship. I'm going to see if I can finagle that little adventure into existence, and would love to have you guys follow along with me. So yeah, we'll catch you next time.